Hello children, I welcome you all to our English class. I hope you all excited. Yes, okay. I think you have practiced the poem with the same tone. Yes? Okay, today we are going to see part 2 in lesson 4. My friend and I. Let's get started. In lesson 4, my friend and I part 2, we are going to see grammar part. First one, words that join sentences. What are we going to see? Words that join sentences. Another name for this is conjunction. What's that? Conjunction. Okay, first activity is PEP activity. Let's start reading the instruction first, then do the activity. Okay, activity number 4.4. Ajay spent time with his friends at home. Ajay spent time with his friends at home. They have finished playing and gone back to their homes. So first Ajay and his friends played. After that they finished playing and gone back to their homes. Write what each person does. One is done for you. So first Rohan. Rohan is one of Ajay's friend. Okay. After gone back to his home, what does Ajay do? What does Rohan do? Rohan eats his dinner. That's what given first. Rohan eats his dinner. Okay, next. Next friend name is Ali. What Ali does? Can you identify? Yes, Ali paints a picture. What does Ali do? Ali paints a picture. Next person is Johan. What does Johan do? Johan plays with his pet dog. Very good. Johan plays with his pet dog. Next friend name is Tara. What does Tara do? Tara does her homework. Tara does her homework. This is what the actions Ajay's friends are doing. Okay, after playing with Ajay, they went back to home and they are doing each action. Okay, yes, next we are going to see look deep activity. Okay, kindly complete activity number 4.4 PEP activity. You can copy the sentences or else you can write your own sentence by observing the picture, but the action verb should not change. It should present with S. Okay, paints, plays, does, like that you have to write. Okay, look deep activity. Consider what Rohan does at home. Look at the pictures. Look at both the picture. Okay, Rohan eats his dinner. Rohan eats his dinner. Second picture, Rohan brushes his teeth. Rohan brushes his teeth. How can we describe what Rohan does in one sentence? They have given two actions, two sentences, but we are going to change these two sentences as only one sentence. How can we do that? That is what we are going to see now. There is a clue given here. Add a three-lettered word. Add a three-lettered word starting with A and ending in D. Starting with A and ending in D. Can you identify what word is that? Can you guess? Okay, I am going to reveal the second clue. Remove the boy's name in the second sentence. By removing the boy's name in the second sentence, we are going to put that three-letter word here. Okay, this is sentence number 1, this is sentence number 2. In sentence number 2, we are going to remove the boy's name and we are going to write that three-letter word. Okay. Okay, here we are going to write three-letter word. What word is that? We are going to identify now. Have you guessed? Yes, that is and. What word is that? And. Let's make the sentence now. Rohan eats his dinner and brushes his teeth. Rohan eats his dinner and brushes his teeth. Here only the name was given before. Have you seen that? Yes, look at the word. Rohan. Instead of Rohan, we have written and. So the two sentences has become as only one sentence. Rohan eats his dinner and brushes his teeth. Observe how the word and joins words or sentences to form a single sentence. So we are going to observe now how can we add and to join two words or two sentences. That's what we are going to see now. Look at the next sentence. And is a linking word. I told you no conjunction. Conjunction another name is linking word. What word is that? Linking word. It connects words or group of words with another one. Okay, with one another. It links, it connects words or group of words with one another. Okay, here in this sentence they have linked two actions. Rohan did two actions. Number 1 eats, number 2 brushes. There are two action words and combined these two action words. Okay, this is the purpose of linking words or otherwise called as conjunctions. In this example, we remove the boy's name Rohan. In the second sentence, we then use and to join the two sentences. We use and to join words in the sentence. So that's what we have seen now. Okay, we are going to see 4 more examples. Okay, number 1, Jeremy is my friend. Jeremy is my friend. Mahesh is my friend. Both the person or my friend only. Why should I give in 2 sentences? I can make it as 1 sentence. Okay, but here we should remove the words which are repeatedly coming. Okay, which we repeat 2 times. Here in the first sentence, Jeremy, compare each word with the second sentence. Okay, Jeremy 1 time only comes. Here Mahesh comes. Okay, is 1 time only comes. So we should write only 1 time. I mean 2 time comes. So we should write 1 time. My 2 time comes. So we should write 1 time. Friend also comes 2 times. So we should write only 1 time. Okay, instead of is we are going to have another word. That is what we are going to see in this example. Okay, Jeremy, Mahesh, 2 persons are there. So Jeremy and Mahesh. Instead of is we are going to write are because there are 2 people. Jeremy 1 person, Mahesh 1 person. Totally 2 people. So plural. For plural already we have seen we should add are. Are is the verb we should use with the plural sentence. Okay, and will make always a plural sentence. Most of the time and will make a plural sentence only. So you can have this as a clue. If we are using and, the sentence will become plural. To action, to names or more than 1 person will be added. So it will become a plural sentence. Obviously, we will write are in that sentence. Next one. Jenny plays football. Jenny plays cricket. So, whenever 2 times any word come in a sentence, we should write that in 1 time. I told you in the first example. So, Jenny here comes 2 times. So, I am writing only 1 time. Plays, here also plays. So, I am writing only 1 time. Football, here cricket. So, we should combine both the words. Football and cricket. Football and cricket. I hope you understood, children. So Jenny plays football and cricket. This is the final sentence. Next one. Tisha listens to music. Trisha dances. Tisha listens to music. Tisha dances. Compare both the sentence. Yes, very good. First she listens. Here 1 action. Here she dances. This is the second action. Totally 2 actions. So we should add and. She is doing both the action. Okay. So listens and dances. Okay. First one, listens to music is the first action. I look at the example I have written. Next one, dances is the second action. I have combined these 2 action using and. Okay, next one. Ramesh sings beautifully. Ramesh dances gracefully. So here sing is one action word, dance is one action word. So we have to combine these two action words with and. I hope you all understood. So the linking word and helps connect two actions. Okay, we are going to connect two or more actions or words or sentences. You just keep these sentence in mind. This is very, very important. Okay, the linking word and helps connect actions, words or sentences. Okay, next one. Next activity name is look deep. Look deep activity. Let's read the instruction first. Read these sentences aloud. Sentence number 1. Ajay wants to eat a pizza. Ajay wants to eat a pizza and burger. And a burger. So pizza is one food. Burger is one food. So totally how many food? 2 food. He want to eat both means we should write an. Okay, look at the second sentence. Ajay wants to eat a pizza or burger. Now he is getting a choice. He doesn't want to eat both. He want to eat either pizza or burger. That's enough. Okay, any one. So here comes the choice. Whenever a choice comes, we have to add or in between the words to link the option words. That is to link two choices or more choices, we have to add the linking word or. Keep it in mind. And will never give an option. And means both, but or means choices. It's our choice. We can choose any one option. Write the words that are different in these sentences. Which are the words different in these sentences? Sentence number 1 says Ajay wants to eat both. Is it right? Yes, here he want to eat both pizza as well as the burger. It's correct. So next one. Sentence 2 says that Ajay wants only one of the two. Is it right? He want either pizza or burger. So this is the right one. So we are writing yes. Can you understand, children? Shall we move to next? Okay, so the linking words, here comes more examples. You can read the example along with me. Before moving to the examples, read this dark letter sentence. It's very, very important to understand the topic. Okay, observe sentence 2 and the word or in it. Here Ajay may eat only one of the two options. I have told you already. Am I right? So linking word or means that a choice can be made between two options. So if it is a linking word or, choice can be made, but if it is a linking word and, no choice is there. Both should be taken and considered. Okay, it can be used to combine two sentences to indicate a choice. If there is a choice in a sentence, you can use or. If there is no choice in a sentence, you can use and to link two sentences or two words or two actions. Look at the first example. Rohan wants to go to the beach. He also wants to play at the park. However, he has time only for one. So he can be in only one place, either in the park or in the beach. So here comes an option. Am I right? So if an option comes, what should we write? We should write or. Or is the linking word used in this sentence. Look at the example. Rohan can go to the beach in the evening. Rohan can go to the park in the evening. So either beach or park, any one place. Rohan can go to the beach or to the park in the evening. Is it clear, children? Let's move to the second example. Amala can drink tea. She can also drink coffee. She can only drink one at a time. At the same time, she can do only one action. Am I right? Either she can drink tea or she can drink coffee. So here obviously the option will be coming. So we are adding or. Look at the example. Amala can drink tea or coffee. Keep a note in mind, children. We should not repeat one single word again in the same sentence. Okay, in one sentence, each word should come one time only. So if you are combining two sentences also, combine the sentence without repeating any of the words. Okay? Yes. I hope you all understood. Let's move to the next one. Third example. Sheila wants to go to Kerala for a trip. She also wants to see Goa. But she has the money to go only to one place. She has only enough money for going to only one place. So she can choose. Here comes an option. Yes or no? So if there is an option, we should add or. We should add or in the sentence. So read the sentence. Sheila can go to Kerala for her holidays. Sheila can go to Goa for her holidays. How can we combine both the sentence? Sheila can go to Kerala or Goa for her holidays. This is the example sentence. I hope you all understood, children. So now next activity is a task for you. Okay? First listen to the example, then do this activity on your own. Here is a table with examples on how to use and or are. Write one sentence using and or one using are in the last row. So left side you should write a sentence with and option, that is and linking word. At the right side you have to write a sentence with the linking word are. Ram and Shyam are going to school. Tom can stay at home or go to school. Both are the sentence, but at the left side there is no option. Both the people are going to school only, but at the right side Tom can stay at home or go to school. There is an option. He can stay at home. Either he can stay at home or he can go to school. There is an option at the right side. Same way, second sentence also. We went to the park and played football. We can use a pencil or a pen to write. Here we can go to the park. Okay, went is an action, played is an action. Both the action we can do. We can first go to the park, then we can play football. Both action are considered here, but here we can use either pencil or pen. Any one we can use to write. Here comes an option. There is no compulsion in the linking word are. When you use the linking word are, here comes an option. Aditi sat on the table and ate her breakfast. So first she did an action. What action? Sat. Sat is the past tense of sit. Here went is the past tense of go. Ate. Ate is the past tense of eat. Played is the past tense of play. So here they have given completed action words. Keep it in mind. Okay. First Aditi sat on the table, then ate her breakfast. So two actions completed. Two actions. So and both the actions. They are planning to visit Ooty or Shimla. Here only one place. There is an option. Shimla, they can either go to Shimla or Ooty. Here comes an option. So we are using are. Same way you also write a sentence using and at the left side. A sentence using are at the right side. Okay. I hope you all understood, children. Complete the activity. Okay, complete the activity and then ask your doubts. Okay, thank you so much for listening.